Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to give course access to the students. There are three methods to do so. Method 1, when user is not registered on your website. Method 2, when user has already registered and you just want to give an access to a particular course. And method 3 is course settings. We will see all one by one. Let's see when you want to add user manually and give an access to the course. For that, go to your WordPress website and enter into the WordPress dashboard. At the bottom below plugins, you will find users option. Click on add new to add a new user. Here set the username for the student. So I'm going to use sample student as the username for my student. Here you can add the email ID. Below that there's an option to add the name. So set the first name and the last name of the user. You can keep this option empty. So only required options are necessary not to create an account. Other fields can be empty as well. And here set the password. So I'm going to keep this password as it is. Below that there's an option to choose the role of the user. So by default all the user who register on a site are subscribers. So I'm also going to use subscriber and click on add new. So a user has been added successfully. Now you can either click on edit user or you can search the same user. You can see this user has been added in a WordPress dashboard. Now click on edit to assign the course access to the student and select the name of the courses that you want to assign to the student, forward arrow, and click on save. So the courses has been assigned to the new user we have added. So I already have explained the method to when user is already registered. For that, go to all users, click on edit and select the course that you want to assign to the student, forward arrow, and update. So basically it's the same step. The first step we have added user, the second step we have assigned him the course. Now the third method is under the course settings. So here you will see the list of all the courses that you have added website users. So click edit, go to the settings tab and scroll down. At the bottom you will find the list of all the students. So you can multi-select the users, click forward arrow, and all the users will be added to this course and click update. So this option is useful when you want to assign one course to multiple students. So most of the things, so all the user data will be handled on the same page. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment below. Thank you.